eggs for babies. Howdy, this is how to make eggs for a baby that has no teeth. I've put a little drop of olive oil on my pan. The idea here is that even an omelet that you cut into strips can be too difficult for the baby to bite into and to get little pieces out of. So this is a different way of preparing eggs that I found works really well for the kids. Okie dokie, so I separated my egg. This is the big trick. So the yolk is reserved often to the side. We're just trying to make, in this case, like what you would call probably a white omelet. In a minute, I'll just give it a good old flipperoo. You don't have to overthink this. Okie dokie, here's where we get fancy. So at this point, we're gonna break the egg up into little bite-sized pieces, bite-sized small enough for a kid. So I'm just using my spatula to separate the eggs into little strips. And now I'm gonna go crosswise to break those strips up into bite-sized bits. This is the magic that we're looking for. This is what the baby can eat. The issue is, if you were to serve this as it is to the kid, it'd be really hard to make it into the baby's mouth. So now we want to kind of form a little pile in the middle of our pan. Then we come back with our yolk, just we had reserved off to the side, pour it into the middle. And then I use my spatula to break up the yolk and kind of mix this all around. The yolk is going to act as a binder to keep this whole egg situation together. So now I'm kind of creating a pancake. So I'll let that cook for a moment before I flip it. But this is the main idea. Break up the white and then mix it in with the yolk so that you get a pancake. The omelet is cooked on both sides. And now we just kind of put it onto a plate, break it into strips one more time. And the beauty of this is that when you give the baby these strips, I mean, obviously let them cool for a sec, but it breaks down into little bits of egg, like you can see here that didn't make it. And at least our kid loves it. So I hope this helps. Enjoy eggs for babies.